Hey, no doubt, Robert. Origins, bird, guys, 43, 39. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll 10 times on the dice. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Getting 10 here, 10 here. Bills up top. Saints at the bottom. 10 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And Tyler up top, Adam at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. There's your squads, Origins, early bird. Good luck here, guys. Let's do it. Origins, early bird, here we go. Good luck, good luck. Two cards off the back. Starting off the break with Mac Jones, 57 out of 75 for the Patriots. Geno Smith, 13 of 125 for Seattle. And John Plua. Sauce Gardner on the base for the Jets. Jalen Hyatt, rookie for the Giants. Rashee Rice on the Jumbo Relic, 81 out of 99. Kansas City and Adam Owanski. There you go, Adam. Rashee Rice on the Jumbo. We've got Jonathan Mingo on the autograph for the Carolina Panthers. Panthers going to Jory Worthen. There you go, Jory. Mingo on the ink. On our RPA, we've got Jake Haener. RPA for the Saints and Adam Owanski. Adam doing work in the break. And let's recap it. Got Hyatt, Sauce, Geno to 125, Mac to 75, Haener on the RPA, Mingo on the ink, and Rashee Rice on the Jumbo Jersey Origins bird in the books. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.